another famous and very special guest, Mr. Atik Bey. Sir, please.
Being a proponent of education himself, he completed his master's degrees in economics in Long Island University at New York in the presidential system of government on 9th July 2018. Now I request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Mehul, to please come on stage and grace the occasion and say a few words.
The Relish Ertrol is being broadcast in many countries. But if we talk about Pakistan, it has an extraordinary number of audience who are on a daily basis restlessly waiting for every other episode to watch. How would you describe the audience response and enthusiasm for the show in Pakistan specifically?
Diriliş Ertuğrul dizisi dünyanın birçok ülkesinde yayınlanmasına rağmen Pakistan'da eşsiz bir kitleyle geniş kitlelerce izlenmekte. İzleyici kitleleriniz arasında Pakistan kitlesinin yeri nedir? Bu konudaki duygu ve düşüncelerinizi merak ediyoruz.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Good, I'm free.
And Aap kaise hi. It's a big honor and happiness to be here. Thank you very much for your question.
Welcome.
And thank you very much for all love you give here. About your question, what I see here when I come, very much similarities. Our flag, similar. Our smiley faces, hot blood, and our values are very similar. What I see here is like tea and sugar. We mixed up here, very beautiful way. So our cereal is a phenomenon. Yeah. yeah. And our cereal is a phenomenon in our country. So if we are similar, why not here? That's your answer, if you accept.
Thanks for the words you have. Mansi, if you won't mind, at the end of the program, I would just love to see an expression of anger that you have there.
I think you don't want it. Thank you.
Yes, another question from Miss Mariam to again Mr. Nurettin. Actually, hundreds questions you have, we know, and you want to talk more, but we don't have time. They don't have time.
Hello.
So, symbolic questions.
Selamünaleyküm Bamsi Bey.
Selamünaleyküm.
Ben Meryem İkbal.
Nice to meet you.
Pakistan'a hoş geldiniz.
Teşekkür ederim. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sir, my question that have you ever watched any Pakistani drama or movie?
I had no chance to
You
watch.
have no chance. Okay, so sir, you must have experience of listening our great poet Lama Iqbal.
I would like to, and as an actor, I really heard about your actors, how gifted they are. So I really want to watch and know them.
Okay, we love you so much, Turkish people, and okay. So thank you very much for coming here. Pak Tok Dostuluk Çok Yaşa.
Thank you very much.
As I said, you have many questions, but we have limited time. So we are proceeding to other questions to Mr. Aybek Bey. As you know, Arthur.
No, please ask me, not him. Please ask me.
Okay, Miss Sumeyra your question to Artuk Bey.
Merhaba Artuk Bey.
Merhaba.
First of all, I would like to say welcome to you in our country. I'm a great fan and admirer of you, and I'm very happy to see you among us. My question is, have you ever considered working in any Pakistani show, or have you ever received any offer from Pakistan?
Öncelikle ülkemize hoş geldiniz. Ben sizin sıkı bir takipçinizim. Büyük bir hayranınızım. Şunu merak ediyorum, Pakistan'da oyunculuk yapmayı düşündünüz mü? Ya da herhangi bir dizi teklifi, film teklifi aldınız mı?
Çok teşekkür ederim. Çok naziksiniz. Çocukluk hayalleriyle gençlik hayalleri, orta yaş hayalleri, belki şimdi yavaş yavaş yaşlılık hayalleri değişiyor artık.
सारे वो ड्रीम्स चेंज होते जाते हैं बचपन में अलग है जब आप थोड़ा बड़े होते हैं वो अलग है और मिडिल एज डिफरेंट है अब मे बी वी कैन से ओल्ड एज ड्रीम्स सारे चेंज होते जाते हैं लेकिन बचपन में मुझे ये पसंद है वो बड़े बड़े गाड़ियाँ मुझे बहुत पसंद था तो इसी वजह से
So you can think about the trucks over here. We have got very good truck art.
Burada çok güzel kamyonlarımız, tırlarımız değil ama kamyonlarımız var. Buraya bekleriz.
I am ready already. Allah'a şükürler olsun. Hayatımdan memnunum. Galiba seçerdim.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं अपनी लाइफ में अभी खुश हूँ तो अगर मैं दोबारा आए तो मैं यही बन सकते थे दोबारा.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much indeed. It was a great session. We had a very good interaction with our worthy guests. So thank you very much, all of you. You have been, a great source of inspiration for us. Thank you.